Welcome to our YouTube whiteboard explainer on how to use the Fishbone Diagram, a powerful quality improvement tool that can make complex problems easier to tackle. Today, we'll break it down step by step, and we've got a real-world case study to make it all stick. So, grab your pencils, and let's dive in. First things first, what is a fishbone diagram? It's also known as an Ishikawa diagram or a cause and effect diagram. Imagine it's like a detective's tool for problem solving. It helps you identify the root causes of a problem, not just the symptoms. Step 1. Define the problem. Imagine you work in a pizza restaurant, and customers are complaining about long delivery time. That's our case study. Write this problem statement at the head of your fishbone. Step 2. Draw the fishbone. Draw a horizontal arrow across your whiteboard, like this. This arrow represents the backbone of our fish. Step 3. Identify major categories. Think about what could be causing the delivery delays. We'll use the 6M approach: manpower, methods, materials, machinery, measurements, and Mother Nature. These are the major categories where problems often hide. Step 4. Add sub-causes. Now, extend diagonal lines from each major category. For manpower, we might have things like insufficient staff or untrained drivers. For methods, maybe inefficient route planning. Step 5. Dig deeper. Keep branching out until you've exhausted all the possible sub-causes. Don't worry if it looks messy. This is where the magic happens. Step 6. Analyze and prioritize. This is where the real detective work begins. Discuss with your team and assign importance to each sub-cause. What's most likely to be the root cause of the problem? In our case study, maybe it's a lack of driver training. Step 7. Take action. Now that you've identified the potential root cause, it's time to act. Create an action plan to address it. For example, provide driver training sessions. Let's go back to our pizza restaurant. After using the fishbone diagram, they identified driver training as a root cause. They invested in training, and guess what? Delivery times improved, and customer complaints dropped significantly. Problem solved. So there you have it, the fishbone diagram, a simple but powerful tool for quality improvement. Remember, it's not just about treating symptoms but getting to the root of the problem. And as you've seen with our pizza place, it can make a real-world impact. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explainer fun and approachable. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quality content. Happy problem solving, and until next time, keep those fishbone diagrams swimming.